Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we show you how to find Clipboard on my Samsung phone. If we notice when we use the keyboard, the Clipboard icon where we can see the history does not appear. To solve this, we will go to Settings and use the magnifying glass above to more easily find the Samsung keyboard option. After clicking on it, we scroll and activate the keyboard toolbar option. Finally, if we use the keyboard again, we will see that the clipboard icon now appears. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.